friends, so this is Cotton Cuts Carnival Clue 7 in the Petting Zoo colorway and the small size quilt. There are 3 total blocks in this month's kit, 2 7A and 1 7B. This took about 40 minutes for me to do, so just plan accordingly. Get your coffee ready, water, tea, whatever it is, some snacks. I really enjoy these colors and these fabrics. I think they're really fun. But we'll get to the inventory and to the speed sewing. If you like this format, please let me know in the comments below. Also, liking and subscribing. They're free and it helps the channel grow. It helps more viewers see my videos. I'm not a Cotton Cuts ambassador. I just do this for fun and to help anybody out there who might find these tutorials useful. So I will see you soon. Bye! Hi friends, here is Petting Zoo in our small size for Clue 7. I didn't receive my Clue 7 for Fortune Teller before I went out of town, so I just got it in, so we're recording all of the videos all at once. But anyways, let's go through our inventory and I will let you know which quantities of everything you should have, and then we'll get to the sewing. So you should have 8 fabric A small triangles, 4 small B, 9 of C, 9 of E, and 2 of F in your small triangles. Then you should have 2 A large triangles. You'll have 1 fabric D square, 1 fabric A square, 2 fabric A long rectangles, 2 fabric A small rectangles, and 2 fabric B small rectangles. Okay friends, so I'm going to speed sew this. I'm not going to give you directions because more than likely you've got the paper of directions here. So for the small Clue 7, we've got 2 blocks, 2 of 7A and 1 7B. I don't know how long this is going to take me, but I'll let you know when I'm finished. portion of the video. We have 3 total blocks, 2 of 7A and 1 7B. This took me about 40 minutes, probably a little bit less because I did have to like stop in between. But like I took my time, so however long this video is, this took me 40 minutes to do. Take your time, make sure that you are consistent with your seams. I find that like consistency is key. I kind of use a scant 1/4 of an inch. I make sure that I sew them the same way every time. And these blocks are, pretty, I find that they're pretty forgiving. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see anything different in the next video. And this was Clue 7 for Carnival in the Petting Zoo colorway, size small. Bye!